Hey guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Nvidia stock. As for the morning updates, let's take a look at the price section on this thing, guys. Tomorrow we have Nvidia's earnings, so it's gonna be amazing either way. This is going to blow everyone's mind tomorrow again, both to the upside or to the downside. When I say amazing, amazing in form of it will be amazing if you're a bull, it will be amazing if you're a bear, because there will be a lot of volatility, all right? But as of right now, what is Nvidia showing us? That Nvidia is still bullish, guys. We'll go over the technicals in just a second because I want to take you over this article as well that says Nvidia stock drops on report Amazon has fully transitioned AI chips orders. What are the details out of it? It's a very ambiguous headline over here. It can be perceived in any way. Oh, did Amazon cancel it, or what are they doing, right? So Nvidia's shares are falling in early trading Tuesday following a report suggesting Amazon halted orders of the company's superchip in order to wait for updated models. Amazon Cloud's computing business has stopped ordering Nvidia's most advanced superchip as the company plans to wait for more powerful models that were introduced this year. So technically, they are postponing, if that's the word I should use here. But anyways, Nvidia still seems the leader, and there is no shortage of any positive sentiment on this thing, right? I mean, everything is skyrocketing on this. So let's go to the hourly interval. I just want to show you that drop, but that drop, guys, didn't really change any technicals, right? I mean, technicals still holds valid, very valid, right? We have been saying that, going back on the daily interval here, guys, that Nvidia has been in this uptrend, higher highs, higher lows, right? And where the price action is right now, I mentioned that as long as we are not even losing this $920 level, forget any downside on this. And not just that, that's what is holding it as bullish as well. But not just that, if I take you to the hourly interval again, this trend line that we have, the black one, right? The support levels that this trend line has been holding with the 200 hours moving average constantly. You can see today even pullback when it came, that was it. Pullback, got bought back up, right? We are still holding pivots, to the upside, right? So things are still technically bullish. Now, before going further, I want to let you know, because I didn't, that none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. While we are talking about it, I want to show you my day trading bot as well. Look at it. Nvidia fell, no problem. Nvidia, you can still make money on Nvidia by my bot. So because, well, price action, my bot caught onto the price action as things started to turn bullish. Got a great buy signal. We got one partial sell signal already. Let's see when the second comes, then the third. But we are net profitable, and today also we are in the really good money as well. So things are looking great. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. I have 2 indicators, 2 trading bots, and Wall Street alerts. All right. So that's that, guys. Let's go back now to our price action analysis, and I'll be providing my opinion as well. So yeah, as I showed you guys, we are still holding those support levels. We are still technically bullish, and I talked about it yesterday that if we lose $946 level, you can expect some downside that can come. We got that downside. But guys, since we are still bullish on the swing side, you can see any pullback. Again, my bot helped in making that decision as well, right? I showed you it gave a buy position. And technically, we got bought back up. And why? Because the structure is still bullish, right? That was the cool off pullback short play that I talked about. If we break the level of 946, we got that short play, and that was it. Then we got bought back up. One more thing I can do here on my indicator is, let's do this. Here we go. And yeah, that's, now you can see that another trend line showed up, right? Because that's not the trend line, sorry, the level. So that's where the next level was, and we got bought back up over there. So that's why these levels are so important. My indicators marks them automatically. It helps you in understanding where the price is reacting, where the moves can be happening, price action, right? So for example, when you saw this red candle with no wick at the bottom, means no buying pressure, and then we lost the level of 946. We sold off almost to the next level. But then you saw what? Buying started happening, wick started coming, followed through by another wick coming in on hourly price action close to the level. And what is the structure telling us? That we are still bullish on the swing. So you can see the continuation. But yeah, reloads are in these pullbacks, guys, and take partial profits at these levels, right? But yeah, as I showed you the structure, Nvidia is still full on bullish. Now the next level as we are looking at is this 958, right? So Nvidia as well, guys, look, these technicals are valid until earnings tomorrow, because earnings will redefine the chart. All right, it will redefine the technicals, then we'll have to see it again. But as for right now, Nvidia is full on bullish. As long as it's above 940, this is the level as for intraday I'm seeing, and even 946. But yeah, the move has already happened, right? I'm here to teach you what to look for in the moves. You don't have to wait for me to give you the moves. I'm telling you, teaching you. My intentions out of this video is to teach you what to do, and then decisions are yours, right? So yeah, as you know, structure has been bullish, and we got that bullish push on this. So yeah, right now, guys, there is no sign of slowdown on this, and if we get above 957, then 975 is the possibility on this. That is the all-time highs almost. But yeah, things are not bearish, things are not weak on this. I don't, yeah, tomorrow it's gonna, yeah, 20 is above 50 days as well. Yeah, either earnings are gonna just push it more higher, and I'm not seeing any possible break on this to the downside right now. Post earnings or through earnings, things may look different, but we'll see. But right now, this will stay, I think, in my opinion, fully bullish. Tomorrow, you might expect some choppiness as well, just because it's an earnings day, but yeah, it is bullish. But this is where I would say, if you have taken all these moves, guys, take some partial profits out. Take some partial profits out, okay? And the stop loss has to be below 920 on these long positions. Bulls have still a lot of room, even until 890. But yeah, the weakness will start coming in, and I'll talk more about it in the afternoon video as well. But yeah, that's Nvidia for right now as for the update here. All right, let's take a look at QQ and SPY as well real quick, guys. And as I have been saying, QQ is full on bullish, guys. There is still no structure break to the downside, no structural break. Things are still super bullish on this. Let's see how my day trading bot did on this. So let me turn that on. Let's go. Amazing, amazing, profitable moves. Loving it, loving it, loving it, loving it. Even yesterday was a great day. Great moves. Even today, you can see we got really nicely bought back up, and my bot gave a really good buy position on this price action, and we made the money. Let's take a look at SPY real quick. Yep, SPY also net profitable, great move, great money. Today also got a good buy position, good selling places as well positions. Yeah. Again, if you need access to these tools of mine, guys, links are in the description below of this video. All right, let's turn this thing off. Let's go to SPY now, daily interval. Let's see what it's doing. SPY is, guys, full on bullish, as I have been saying right now. Again, like, even if it pulls back or cool offs to the level of 524, that won't be bearish. That is just a pullback on this. It has a lot of room in the pullback as well. SPY is full on bullish, guys. I would consider it's still bullish even if it comes down to 518. Yeah, this is not gonna crater. Market is not cratering like that. All right. Yeah, we got into these great pivots when I talked about it, guys. This time, if we form this pivot, expect this thing to crack above this levels of the 20 and 50 days moving average. We have been getting all these moves. So if you have been following along, you are already making a lot of money. With that, guys, hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care.